So flash floods were forecast the other day, and as we watched nervously through our dining room window, we were wondering just how high was the level of the pond going to get. You can see it was up to the same level as the bog there. The fish were enjoying it though. So eventually I thought, well, I'd better go out and check it out. So you can see it's almost up to the same level as the patio. The main waterfall is still running. The secondary waterfall, the water is almost up to the same level as that. And now the bog has disappeared, it's the same level as the pond. So we thought, well, it's still raining. More rain is forecast. So I guess before the fish end up on the patio, we'd better do something about it. Go and get the pump. So we pumped some of the water out, and then it stopped raining. And the fish were okay.